Welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. Kanchipuram Idli has its history dated to the days of Pallavas, where it was made around a foot long and steamed over a wood fire. The unique taste comes from the mandharai leaves which line the steaming moulds. Let's see how to make this tasty Kanchipuram idlis. I have taken 1 cup idli rice, 1 cup raw rice, 1 cup urad dal, 2 teaspoon methi seeds. Wash the rice and the dal and soak them separately. Soak the methi seeds along with the urad dal. Soak them for a minimum of 4 hours. Grind the urad dal and methi seeds first by sprinkling water little by little. This will take around 20 minutes. Adding ice cold water while grinding the urad dal will make it fluffy and the idli will be softer. It's 20 minutes now. Remove the urad dal to a container and add the soaked rice to the wet grinder and grind them to a coarse texture. This will take around 20 to 25 minutes. Do not add much water. Add salt to the urad dal. When the rice is done, remove it and mix the urad dal and rice batter. Allow to ferment for 6 hours. The mixing of the batter is as important as grinding it because mixing well incorporates air in the batter to make the idlis soft. This grinding process can also be done in the mixie. You need not use a wet grinder to grind for Kanchipuram idli. After 6 hours, you can see the batter has fermented well. Now for the tempering. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. This idli tastes good only if made with ghee. Heat the ghee. Add half teaspoon mustard, 1½ tablespoon urad dal, 1½ tablespoon channa dal, 1 teaspoon JEERA or CUMIN seeds, 1 teaspoon coarsely ground pepper, 2 tablespoons broken cashew nuts. Allow it to turn golden brown. Add a little hing. Today I am adding 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. You can also replace the ginger with dry ginger powder. Add this to the idli batter and mix well. I am going to steam these idlis in small cups. You can also use different muffin molds to steam these idlis. In a kadai, I add some water and place a steamer. Grease the molds with a little ghee. Pour the batter to 3/4 in each mold and steam for 15 minutes. This batter will rise well, so leave some space for the rising. After 15 minutes, you can see that the idlis are steamed. Remove and serve with any chutney or sambar of your choice. This steaming of idlis can also be done in an idli mold, but I prefer making Kanchipuram idlis in these small cups as it turns out well. Yummy, tasty, soft and fluffy Kanchipuram idli is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.